Hello friends, welcome back to Englisheats-V channel. Today we are going to practice spoken English in a very simple and interesting way. Many people understand English, but they feel nervous while speaking. Some people know grammar, but they cannot speak confidently in daily life. If you also feel shy, don't worry. In today's lesson, we will practice easy English sentences together. Remember one important thing. English speaking is not magic, it is a skill. And every skill improves with practice. So today, speak loudly with me. Repeat every sentence after listening. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Let us begin. Imagine this situation. You wake up early in the morning. What will you say in English? You can say, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I feel fresh and energetic. I will learn something new today." Now repeat after me slowly. I will learn something new today. Very good. Now let us practice daily routine sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I get ready for work. I eat breakfast with my family. I leave home at 8 o'clock. These are very simple sentences, but they are useful in daily life. Now let us practice confidence-building sentences. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Practice makes me better. I will speak confidently. Excellent. Friends, confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Many people wait for perfect English before speaking. That is a mistake. Speak first. Improvement will come automatically. Now let us practice conversation English. Imagine you meet a friend. How will you start? Hello, how are you? I am fine. What about you? I am doing well. How was your day? My day was good. Now repeat these sentences loudly. Speaking loudly improves pronunciation and confidence. Now let us learn some useful English expressions. Instead of saying, "I don't know," you can say, "I'm not sure." Instead of saying, "I understand," you can say, "Got it." Instead of saying, "Wait," you can say, "Just a moment." Instead of saying, "Speak slowly," you can say, "Could you please speak slowly?" These expressions make your English sound more natural. Now let us practice English for students. I have homework today. I am preparing for exams. My favorite subject is science. I enjoy learning new things. Education changes our future. Wonderful. Now let us practice workplace English. I have an important meeting today. Please send me the report. I will finish the work on time. Thank you for your support. Let us work together. These simple sentences are useful for office communication. Friends, many English learners make one common mistake. They only listen to English but never speak. Listening is important, but speaking practice is the real key. Even if your English is broken, speak daily. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak while walking. Speak while cooking. Speak while studying. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Now let us practice question and answer English. Question, what is your name? Answer, my name is Rahul. Question, where are you from? Answer, I am from India. Question, what do you do? Answer, I am a student, or I am a teacher, or I work in an office. Question, what are your hobbies? Answer, I enjoy reading books and watching educational videos. Excellent practice. Now let us practice English for shopping. How much does this cost? Do you have another color? I would like to buy this. Can you help me, please? Thank you very much. Very good. Now let us practice travel English. Where is the bus stop? How can I reach the railway station? I need a taxi. What time does the train arrive? Can you guide me, please? These sentences are useful in real life. Friends, pronunciation is also important in spoken English. Speak clearly. Speak slowly in the beginning. Speed is not important. Clarity is important. Now repeat after me. Confidence, communication, opportunity, knowledge, success. Very good. Now let us practice motivational English. I believe in myself. I can achieve my goals. Every day is a new opportunity. Hard work brings success. I will never give up. Friends, positive self-talk improves confidence and speaking ability. Now let us do a small speaking activity. Imagine you are introducing yourself in English. You can say, "Hello, everyone. My name is Ramesh. I am from Hyderabad. I am a college student. I enjoy learning English and science. My dream is to become successful and confident." Thank you, simple and powerful. Now let us practice English thinking. This is very important. Do not translate from your mother tongue every time. Start thinking directly in English. For example, when you drink water, think, I am drinking water. When you walk outside, think, the weather is nice today. When you study, think, I am learning something useful. This habit improves fluency very fast. Friends, learning English is a journey. Some days feel easy, some days feel difficult. But never stop practicing. Even 10 minutes of daily speaking practice can completely change your confidence after a few months. Remember these 3 secrets. Listen daily, speak daily, practice daily. Now let us practice one final conversation together. Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What do you do? I am learning spoken English. That's great. Keep practicing. Thank you for encouraging me. You're welcome. Excellent job. Friends, if you want to improve English quickly, make English part of your daily life. Watch English videos, listen to English audio, read simple English articles, and most importantly, speak every day. Do not fear mistakes. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. And always remember, confidence comes from practice. Success comes from consistency, and English becomes easy when you enjoy learning. Thank you for practicing with Englisheats-V channel. If you enjoyed this lesson, share it with your friends and family. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing every single day. See you in the next English speaking practice session.